Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. World Amazing Crochet Cost. So how are you guys? I hope you guys are doing well. May Allah keep you happy, keep you healthy, and give you a very beautiful and amazing life. Ameen. Because in today's video you will see very beautiful ideas and very pretty ideas of keychain. These keychains are looking very amazing and very gorgeous. I hope you will like my videos. I hope you will share my videos. You will share my videos with your friends, with your family members, with your cousins. Then they enjoy my videos. Then they also share my videos. As you can see, guys, there are many types of things in the channel. All are looking very gorgeous and are looking very pretty. And friends, he will tell me how you look my video. I hope you will share my videos. You will share my videos with your friends, with your family members, with your cousins, and with your family members and friends. As you can see, it looks like very adorable. It looks like very pretty and gorgeous. And I hope you will like all this. I hope you will like all these things in my channel. As you can see, guys, you will tell me can, as you can see, I hope you will like these videos, and we mostly upload crochet videos. Then you will make these crochet ideas with your friends and with your family members. As you can see, guys, I hope you will like my videos, and thanks for watching my videos. Meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz friends, take care, bye bye. See you in the next video, inshallah. Fi aman Allah, Allah Hafiz.